Little birds take a bath. We have made it. We're going to be reading this book. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my awesome fun toys on my Instagram for the latest updates on what's coming. You can look forward to that. And I do have mini blogs there. I hope you enjoy them. Guys, I am so glad you arrived. You have made it to my fun toys channel. Hello, I'm so glad you arrived. You have made it to my fun toys channel. I'm so excited you're here. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow all the fun. And let's get started now. We have made it. We're going to be reading this book. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my awesome fun toys on my Instagram for the latest updates on what's coming. You can look forward to that. And I do have many blogs there. I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy doing them for you. So we're going to start reading. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. It was a rainy night in the city. The bird sat looking at the street below. He watched the umbrellas blooming up and down. He listened to the taxi honking. I felt the thunder in his tiny wings. I didn't like rain, said Little Bird. I didn't like the rain at all. Then he was nesting down and closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow. In the morning, Little Bird woke up early. He looked out over the street below. No more umbrellas, no more honking, no more thunder, rain, gone away, sang Little Bird, who always started his day with a song. What a perfect day for a bath. And off he blew over rooftops, around lampposts, under awnings. Little Bird saw puddles everywhere. Some looks too big. Some looks too small. Some were already crowded with batters. At last, Little Bird spotted the perfect puddle. He swooped out of the sky and landed with a happy splash. My puddle, my puddle, my puddle, chirped Little Bird. But then something was bouncing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He skittered out of the way. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back in his puddle. That was close, he cheeped. That was oh so close. Rub-a-dub-dub, sang Little Bird. But then something was flopping straight at the Little Bird. Oh no! He flew out of the way faster than before. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into the puddle. That was closer, he chirped. That was even closer. Row, row, row your boat, sang Little Bird. But then something was fleeing straight at Little Bird. Oh no! He flipped out of the way as fast as he could. When it was quiet again, Little Bird hopped back into the puddle. Closest yet, he chirped. The very closest yet. The Little Bird wasn't happy with the puddles anymore. Almost all the water had been splashed away. Little Bird thrilled a sad song. No more baths today, no more baths today. Now he'll have to wait for another rain night. And remember, Little Bird didn't like the rain. He didn't like the rain at all. Little Bird flapped his tiny wings and started to head home, under awnings, around lampposts, over rooftops. But then, wait, was that shiny, sparkling, and shimmering down below? It looked like a fountain, a splashy, swirly fountain, just the right size for Little Bird. It swooped out of the sky and landed with a happy splash. He shook and wiggled the feathers, his wings, until he was as clean as he could be. At last, Little Bird was ready to fly home. Long shadows spreading across the sidewalk. He heard that he could buzz, roaming down the streets. He smelled the street aroma rising from the kitchen windows. The sky was pink. There could be no rain tonight. On Petal's face appeared between two buildings as little birds landed on the ledge. Good night, sweet skies, rock-a-bye. He sang because Little Bird always ended his day with a song. Then he nested down as closed his eyes and dreamed about tomorrow. Y'all made it to the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon. What a perfect day for a bath. Bye, guys and girls.